how to review sent friend requests history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review sent friend requests history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then go down again. Here you will find activity log, and then connections, and here you will find send friend requests. Click on it, and as you see here you can review send friend requests on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.